part of the journey to help enable and promote the OCP experience, we decided to launch an OCP Experience Center here in PDG's SG1. And the reason is because we wanted to have a place where clients, partners can all come together and really physically see and touch and possibly even utilize and try some of the latest OCP products that can be available in the market today. This will be OCP's first experience center here in Asia. We're very proud to partner OCP on this front, and we believe that we'll be creating an environment where end users and partners can come to enjoy and experience firsthand the OCP technologies. And through that process, what we hope is to create a cradle for discussions, for innovations, and for collaboration. OCP platform creates a very robust environment for all the different ecosystem players to kind of share the experience that we have. We believe that it will help to accelerate transformation of the way data centers are being designed and operated, and we believe this will bring about more efficiency in operations and also unique designs going forward. PDG sees ourselves as part of the broader data center ecosystem, and all of us are faced with the challenge of having to design and build more innovative data centers. We need to change the way we operate data centers, and to that end, the OCP vision, which helps to accelerate innovation in this very challenging industry, helps and benefits us as one of the active contributor into achieving that goal. Once again, we hope that the entire industry can come together, openly share the challenges and the constraints we have, and then to work together to finding new solutions to be able to run data centers in the future.
Rital is a leading global solution provider for industrial enclosures, climate control, power distribution, and IT infrastructures. Our solutions have been deployed in various industries like plant and mechanical engineering, IT, and telecommunications. We have been here in Singapore since 1991. Our office is based in Loyang, and we have a sales and showroom, service and modification center to serve the needs of our customers. As a leading manufacturer of global IT infrastructure, Rital is proud to be a platinum member for OCP Community. We have been manufacturing OCP racks and cabinets for several years. So as a member of the OCP Community, we will be able to help and participate in the early design and planning stages, fostering innovations with the users. As a platinum member of the OCP Community, Rital has been participating in the Experience Center in Amsterdam. We want to be also involved in the Experience Center in Singapore, and in this Experience Center itself, we are supplying the OCP racks, very much similar to the one that we supplied in Amsterdam. The OCP rack itself can accommodate equipment of 21-inch wide, and it can also accommodate the 19-inch equipment itself. It has an open height unit of 48 mm tall, whereas the traditional rack is 44.5 mm high. So this allows a better airflow, and it helps to give a better thermal cable management as well. The OCP rack does not have a front door, and it helps to improve the ventilation in this aspect. Lastly, the OCP rack implements a very highly effective power distribution system. So each individual active components do not have their own active power pack, but instead the power is supplied via the DC bus bar at the back of the rack. And in return, the DC bus bar is powered by a centralized DC power shelf. So because of this, it gives better efficiency to the local data center. Because of the power conversions and transmission is done via the central power shelf, this helps to reduce the amount of intermediate power transmissions along the way, which gives a better overall efficiency in the data center. With the growing volume of data, the energy consumption in a data center will be a key topic moving forward. The OCP technology will provide solutions to tackle this challenge. This Experience Center in Singapore will allow the IT and data center managers to have an understanding on how the OCP design will impact their local facilities. Rital will continue to supply and participate in the Experience Center as much as we can. As a platinum member of the OCP Community, we will continue to help and design suitable OCP-specific solutions to the needs of the customers.
Open networking is the innovation of disaggregation, so whereby you separate the hardware and software, and customers get to choose, make their own choices of the hardware that they want and of course the software that they want, and then they put it together to become a networking solution. This will also help to bring down the total cost of ownership. Bringing OCP Experience Centers into Singapore is a big step because we think Singapore and Southeast Asia will be the next growing market for OCP equipment. HCore is a wholly owned subsidiary of Acton Technology, a leading network ODM in Taiwan with more than 30 years of experience. HCore delivers wired and wireless solutions to data centers, enterprise, service provider, or even SMB. We provide a full product line of OCP accepted switches, ranging from 1G, 25G, 40G, 100G, and now we even have a 400G. These OCP accepted switches offers customer can choose what kind of commercial operating system or even open source operating system that they want to run in these switches. We are providing Broadcom Trident 3 10G switch. It's a 48 times 10G with 6 times 100G uplink. It's the latest chipset or switches for 10G, and it's normally deployed in a top-of-rack switch. User can not only see a physical live demo in a real data center environment, but we can also provide a POC for them.
Murata is a Japanese manufacturing company headquartered in Kyoto, Japan. She's most famous for her MLCC technology with more than 80% of the market share. Over the years, Murata has been developing a lot of product solutions like RF modules, sensor, timing device, wireless connectivities, and the power modules. The Murata OCP power solutions is actually a perfect design that is suitable for this centralized power delivery. It supports single-phase AC, three-phase AC, and high-voltage DC from 200 volts to 400 volts. The power shells contain 6 units of 3 kilowatt power supplies in a single shell. So in these configurations, it can achieve very high efficiency, reduce the power conversions, reduce the space, and achieve cost reductions.
The reason why we have been advocating last 2 years, because there is a real need to reduce the energy consumption in data centers and also to lower carbon footprint. He wants a local firm who can provide the total OCP solution. So we make sure everything is fitted into the rack, we're able to power up, load the OS, load the applications, and then from there give the client a total solution with warranty and support. And there's a lot of substantial savings, and the design is very easy to integrate, deploy, install, so very simple to maintain. So that are the reasons why we went with the OCP. Most operators have to realize that the present and the future is moving towards open compute, where they can lower down the energy consumption, reduce carbon footprint.
We really subscribe to the vision of OCP Community that through innovation and partnership, we can accelerate the way we build and operate data centers going forward.